Behold! Cut! What's up, guys? Today, cut! No. Cut! Hello! Cut! Today we're gonna talk about this. Cut! Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna talk about this. Cut! Nah, just kidding. Okay, today we're gonna talk about this modified Iron Duke. I did it long time ago. Unfortunately, when I'm doing a modification or a project, if it takes over than 4 to 6 hours, I just abandon the project. I don't like it, so move on to the next project. So anyways, I started this, tried to make it pretty close to the original engine. As you can see right here, it uses kind of a Emily standard, but with a low profile. It's not exactly as, you know, just a regular motorized driven tender. This has been cut about 1/4 of an inch, and the battery compartment is right here, but there's no gearbox or anything. So I'm about to show you. So right there, it looks the same, but right here actually I had to cut the whole gearbox, and it does not look good. I mean, it's just but before we go any further, I wanna show you. I will show you again that the wheels are really moving. Big wheels are, you know, they have driven. It's the motor is right here, so it is working as it should. It's faceless. Like I say, I abandoned the project, and here it's like a wooden pieces. You see right there. These are stickers. All spaces are filled with stickers to make it look close to the original model. I mean, to the original engine. And this part right here was cut and is designed to fit exactly from end to end on this engine. So the first one was flat against the motor, against the model engine, like this. For the purpose of the video, I just put a few drops of hot glue, and that's the reason I just stick it to the chassis, to the shell. The wheels have been painted black. Okay, let's go to the tender so you can see how it looks. If you want to make your own, you have to cut as I did. See right there? I had to cut this part right here to make it fit exactly on the whole thing, and I had to trim here and there, also right here. So anyway, let's go to the main and most important part that you might be interested in. If you are familiar with the Trackmaster 2 or Trackmaster Revolutions, is the same design. So I use worm gear, and this has a gear too. See the gear? This is from Trackmaster 2 or Trackmaster's Revolutions, and the motor is right there. See the worm gear? That's the one that's making it turn as it should. See right there? I'm gonna turn it on. I hope it's still working. Yeah, there you can see it. So if you want to do your own modification of iron duke, this is the way. You have to trim this part right here. Let me show you. You know, this platform right here, I had to trim everything. All this area right here to fit the motor, right, the electric motor, and it works. The only thing, like I say, it was boring. After 4 or 6 hours, I didn't like it, so I just dumped it in a box. I put it in the box and I forget about it until last couple of days. So there it goes, close up, so you guys can do it yourself. You can pause and rewind the video and watch it again and again, so you can have an idea how to make your own driven engine. Let me try to see if I can remove this. I don't know if it's good or not, I don't remember. Trying to remove the top part. Let's see. I think it got glued. Totally forgot how I put this thing. Oh yeah, okay, it's glued by this cardboard printed part, so I cannot take it apart unless I destroy the whole thing, and I don't have other replacement at the moment. So there you have it. Nice, huh? And of course the Emily's tender, the one I use, it's I used the most damaged I had, the worst tender I have at the moment. So okay, this one I can get it out. Okay, so now you can have a perspective on how this looks. It's just the battery compartment, no motors right there. So now you can do your own. So I copy the idea from the Trackmaster one. It's not a big deal, but it works. Now, and you can do yourself the modification engine, and you can do this part too, and this part, blah blah blah, and this one right here is just a sticker, as the ones on the wooden looking parts. I mean, the stickers right here, the same. This is two pieces of cardstock, and it looks really good. See the thickness? It's not paper, it's cardstock. It was just a project, so I don't have like I say, 4 hours or 6 hours and it's over. I might try to finish it someday, but anyways, thanks for watching. Over and out.